right, today's the day. It is Star Wars Galaxy's Edge opening day. It's 6 a.m. We had a great night last night in Disneyland. We got a lot done. Now I am heading to go through security, get a Starbucks. The rest of my group is getting ready, and gotta get that energy. The rest is gonna be all adrenaline. Didn't get a lot of sleep last night, but pumped and ready to experience Batuu. Can't wait. Adrenaline's running high. Feel the energy already.
But then it's so early, like, can't really enjoy the cantina as much. But
So look at this. This is the knot line for getting into Batuu. So now we're just waiting. We got our wristbands, and we are just waiting.
soak it in even more, have a little more fun.
Smugglers have to get the
Yeah. And hopefully it gets to the point where people are saying that if the initial rush leaves, it's only like a 10 rotate so everybody gets the pilot seat.
That would be cool. There we go.
Almost time. Almost time.
Flying through together.
It's palpable. It's palpable. What are you excited about, Robbie? What are you most excited about?
Everything.
That is a Nathan answer. Here we go.
Comment below about your favorite emoji.
Here we go. The herd is on. Good news, we don't have to line up. Right, Michael? We don't have to line up.
Don't line up at all. Yeah, get out of here.
Here we go. Calm and cool. Everyone's calm and cool.
Let's skip Galaxy's Edge and do the Matterhorn.
There
you go.
There's a cast member on it right now.
Do the morning test. That's what everybody wants to do.
Oh my god.
That's a good point.
You ready? Yeah, I think you're ready. It's a little overwhelming. It is overwhelming.
No, it's way better. It's way better than that.
Monorail. Oh, good timing on the monorail.
So I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go over to the Matterhorn. You guys will.
Yeah, enjoy that.
Decals, no do decals.
Yeah, you're getting. I tell you what. No, wait. You get right on.
Here, wait.
Yep.
Take a look at the crowds walking toward Star Wars Galaxy Edge through this.
A little detour, Fantasyland. Not a bad detour. Storybook boats.
There's nothing quite like
Opening day, first shift
Yes.
on opening
I
day.
think it's gonna have super works here.
It is. Yeah,
That's how it works.
we'll take it.
I'll make sure you're having trouble thinking. You're not even there yet.
I like trying to like think you didn't cast your sides go. They don't know.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
With every step, it's like, oh, we're closer, closer. Everyone's holding their wristbands up.
I want to see the
Right up against the wall.
All invisible friends, we are being touched multiple times. Wristband.
Check number one. Check number one.
Of several.
Checkpoint. Checkpoint.
I just have the Steve Martin Star Wars.
Dave, are you excited?
Super excited.
This is Dave excited.
Peter Pan excited.
Yes! Yes! Score! Oh, they're taking us through entrance number 2. We'll go, oh, don't laugh. Yeah, there's no humor there. That's what Robbie just said.
Bright sun. Bright sun.
Getting the chills, getting the chills. Or it's chilly, I can't tell. It's chilly, okay.
These are the crowds you're looking for.
Yeah, this is it. You should get a medal when we get in there.
I keep like over. Okay, where is it?
So no, because I thought he
Energy! We brought it. Adrenaline. Time check, Dave. What time is it? Yes! Oh. Chills. Chills. Right there. Chills. This is crazy. Yeah. So everybody got a phone.
The first time we was on the, it feels like we was on the cruise ship. And I was like running.
Man, that's exactly what this is.
I see the train to go by.
Yeah. Oh, that'd be perfect.
Just wait. I keep looking. I'm looking through. I'm starting to see.
Oh yeah. There's a peak. There's a peak. Oh yeah. Remember how long was that wall right here? They had to just, you could go take a picture of the.
Here's the change.
Yeah, the transition. Yeah.
Oh my God.
We're going in! We're going in!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, you're there. You're there. You're there. You're there.
We're now stepping
You're there. We're in.
Look at Dr. Day 7 ship over there. Look at
Wow.
that.
Yeah.
All the way back there.
That's cool though.
Right, son? Right, son? Woohoo!
Oh my God. I can't believe it. Take a look over
We're in.
This is awesome! Oh, the droids! Oh,
Look at the, oh my gosh. No.
Oh.
squirrel! Everything's like squirrel, squirrel, squirrel!
I'm gonna stop. Michael, I'm ready. Quick.
Take a selfie of us with the.
I'm leaving. this the blue milk?
I think that's
Oh yeah, it's blue milk.
But where are we going? I don't even know.
The canteen, Oga's Cantina is.
Is it that way? I don't know. I've never been here before.
That way, you want to go in?
Okay, so
That's circular building right there. That's Oga's Cantina.
can we can make a left right up here then, right? Okay. So straight to the left. Where's Dave? Oh, okay.
Look all around me. Welcome to Foxfire.
Look at that. Oh man. Oh, look at the merch shop. Oh, yes. The First Order's got their own shop. They got their own propaganda shop.
Oh,
That's the milk stand?
I'm sorry. You guys here? Everybody's here?
What are these people in line for? What? I think this could be a line. We should ask. Because people are walking back.
Oh, good.
Oh.
Wait till the end. You said it was closed, but it sounded like they're just at capacity. You want to go 8 a.m.?
Let's just see. Yeah.
We're just talking about Castle Bags. This is the line. Force level is right. Run away.
Yeah, that's this over here.
Trying to process here. Oga's Cantina this way.
Yeah, this direction you want to be on the right hand side. She's pretty popular this morning.
Thank you.
All right.
Oga's Cantina.
What is that this morning? August Cantina. Good. Oh yeah. Reveal. Whoa. Look.
We're all crying. We're all crying.
You had me a Millennium Falcon. See that?
Look how long the line is.
Dave, what do we line up for? Stormtrooper on post. It is moving. It does move. It does move.
All right, I'm in line for Smuggler's Run. Trying to use the Play Disney app, and I'm having technical difficulties. Robbie, are you in?
The app?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just got to start working.
Okay, so you got to start working. I don't. Dave's in. Dave, what do you think so far of the app?
You could spend 4 hours probably
With your head down.
just on the app. Yeah, like not even paying attention to anything else going on any rides. There's so much it seems involved with it, whether you want to spend your time doing it. So be prepared if you're one of
get
those, like,
addicted. You
if,
start, yeah.
If you're like one of those completionists or
Yeah.
you're somebody that's going to spend a lot of time here, you could easily.
You could live here and keep going. What do you use? You've been using. What do you think?
I used the app for about a minute and a half, and then I gave up because I hated that I was missing all the details.
All right.
So,
All right, but what?
but I can.
But you
I
like
can
what
tell,
you had.
I will say this: that I can tell a lot of time and energy has been put into it.
So what they done? What you see so far?
What I
well
have
done.
seen so far, I'm very impressed by. Yeah, very
All right. All right.
And,
you
like and subscribe.
and comment below. Your favorite emoji? Good. You like it?
It's like they left us a card game going on right here or something. Oh, so this is how we get up to the Falcon, isn't it?
Yeah. What is it, Gar? You are there, yes. I am here, Gar. Copy that. be done without an engine, now are we?
I love the story throughout.
Look at that view out from inside the line.
Engine maintenance to hangar bay 4.
Look at the Falcon outside these windows.
That is the top of the Falcon. Oh, that is just too cool.
Yeah, imagine you're like,
Yeah.
you're Nathan right now.
Yeah.
YT 1300 freighter, please clear out. We're going to need to vent those fuel lines.
What is that? How could that have happened? We don't even deliver ion disruptors. They're illegal. You know that. Ship them. Well, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but this, this is the group I've been waiting for. Yes. Come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends to danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult. Admiral, one of the engines blew up again. We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. This is... Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. As we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first order would never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go. Well, too much on 5. I would never send them any least dangerous than I damage the ship.
Dude, look it out. That's so good. Here we go. We're going through the hallway. We just heard from Hondo. He's saying us on the session.
I like the narrow, passageways.
Very narrow.
All right, welcome to Onaka Transport Solutions. Hondo is looking for 3 things. He's looking for pilots, gunners, and engineers. Some more information about each of those positions listed here on your credentials. In the meantime, just remember that you're going to be the flight crew with the blue credentials. Flight crew with the blue credentials. Head on in and welcome aboard the Millennium Falcon. What's your thing say?
Somebody else says, no. We're walking into the...
Pilots, kind of try to give me a smooth ride here. I get motion sick. You got it.
I do too, so I will do my best.
Head on down the corridor there.
Pilot. Oh! Pilot. Pilot.
Now you're too be afraid of, yeah? Just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the trains.
Pilots, it's up. Oh! Front the right.
Oh my gosh. This is unbelievable.
All right, I'm gonna.
You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two. All right.
We just got off.
Yeah. Pro tip: it's inverted controls.
Oh, it's inverted.
Yeah. I didn't find that out until
This hallway, we crashed it up pretty bad, so it's.
Yeah.
flickering all
Yeah.
over.
There's a lot of loose circuitry.
Wow, that was everything is equal.
Amazing ride.
Well, we've gone from curious to suspicious. We cut eyes on you and your
All right, is this mine?
Either one.
Okay, so I'm trying blue milk for the first time. Here we go, Dave. Cheers.
But not too crazy.
Cheers.
Bright sun.
Let's say bright sun.
The green.
Yeah, it kind of tastes bubble gummy.
Try the green.
Like bubble gum.
Bubblegum pick colada.
Yeah, I tried the
Yeah,
blue.
kind of bubble gummy. Oh, I think I like the green a little bit better.
I think so too.
It's a little less bubble gummy, I think. Yeah. One of them, I can't tell which one's got just a tad of an aftertaste, but it's not. It's refreshing. I can see
It's
this
like a
on.
liquidy Dole Whip.
Yeah,
consistency.
the flush kind of thing. I can see this being refreshing on like a hot day. Really?
Something.
All right, so Michael likes the green better. The blue.
The blue. I like the blue.
I think I like the green better. What do you
Of
think?
course,
Dave?
I'm more of a traditionalist when it comes to my galaxy that's milk blue bean where I place my loyalty.
There is an aftertaste, I think, on that one.
Maybe that's the one that has the aftertaste.
That one has a much more
It's
pleasant.
good going down, but I think the aftertaste.
All right, so there you go. There you have it. Green, a little bit better going down, but has an aftertaste. The blue is more smooth and consistent. Yeah. It's amazing how uncrowded it is. I know because everybody's in lines, but even this line, look, it completely cleared out. The whole outside line is completely gone now. So I wonder what the wait. I bet you the wait you probably get on for 20 minutes now, right? I think we absolutely. Yep. So it's like up here. Oh, look at this. I don't even know. Maybe? Is that here? Look at the theming.
Oh, was it that one that you did? Yeah.
No? This is crazy. Look at the detail in here. Oh, store. Okay. We are in the Droid Factory. What is this called? What's the Droid Factory called?
It's like an accessory.
Droid Depot. This is where you can build a droid. There's the line for it. Look at all the droids lined up on the wall back there. That's great. All right. Impressions, Robbie? What are your 2 hours in? What's your impressions? Yeah.
The scale.
Yeah, we haven't even been to every part of this land. The marketplace is up there. We could kind of come in and cut around. Go this way? Yeah. All right. Going to the marketplace. Yeah, the scale is unbelievable. The amount of detail. It's just, oh, it's got that fresh land smell. It's so cool. Look at the marketplace. There's the marketplace right here. Wow. And at the end is the roasters. Look at all this. This is like you're in a wild bazaar somewhere in the Middle East. It really seems amazing. Oh, the popcorn stand, yeah.
Dice for Matthew?
And in the galaxy, actually, not just because he's, you know, bolted into the ground and we can't get rid of him, but he's the best DJ out here.
I'm looking forward to it. I want to hear that same song again.
Yes, he used to give tours. Yes, DJ Rex was very famous for giving tours once upon a time somewhere off here. But you know, you might have
there's so much dramatic experience.
that happens. It happens when you are when DJ Rex does that. From what I heard, Mubo actually found DJ Rex in the junkyard and fixed him up. Yes, Oga and him like this, probably. I'm not sure, but he's still around, so it probably be first order. It's okay. Sometimes if the first order is here, you just kind of stay still and don't acknowledge them, and they tend to walk by. Yes, exactly. Yes. So what is his name? Mubo. Yes, Mubo. He found the droid in the junkyard, and he fixed him up. DJ Rex, as we now know it, and now Oga and Mubo, fantastic friends. He now sits in our lovely little DJing booth. Yes, I've never been in there before, but I've heard that it's very loud and.
I can hear from here.
Yes. Oga has a lot going on in her cantina, whether it be in the cantina or in her office.
I'm surprised it doesn't draw first order attention.
You know, sometimes it does. If you're unlucky, I should say. If you're unlucky, then the stormtroopers tend to walk around.
Really?
Yes. It's not very.
Listen to the music. Oh, this cantina. The music is spilling out. Are we just in? No, I think we get seated. I don't know.
This is unreal. This is
You guys are gonna squeeze in the bar right here?
Okay. How you doing?
That is awesome. I gotta tell you.
got the whiskey drink.
Can I get a picture of your drink?
Yeah, go for it.
Thank you. They look so pretty.
I know, right?
So, Mega Mulira! Here it is once again, Mulira!
Kidding? You're back. I did not think I would see you again after the incident. You're braver than I thought. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along with you. Millennium Falcon, how was your flight? All right, how long has it been? Oh, babe, I'm hurting up here. 45 seconds.
Here we go.
Kidding me, okay, my friends. While I look into repairing the Falcon, R5 will play you some music. Yes? All right. Then go. Or instead he's going to make motivated to the sublight engines, disable the quad laser cannons, and deflect the shield generators.
My gunners, make sure you defend the ship. My engineers fix whatever they break.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. Better be faster when I get to the right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Fast one, move your stick to fly right and left. I was fast pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Rockets are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Jump! Do
Yes!
Oh, there is the train. Come, Papa. Yes, yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineer. Fire the harpoon. Shoot the cargo. Left pilot, brakes. Good work. Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the gold axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon.
Got it!
The train.
Come on! Take that back!
Keep shooting!
I'm shooting!
Yes, yes, yes! We got the coaxium! Woo! Keep up to the train. Gunship! Things are getting too hot. Get out of here! Yes, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Hit the button! It was... It's coming down! Hit the boosters! Boost! Boost! Look! I did not failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chu is right. If we lead them back, they may find the resistance. You did it. Watch out! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Perfect timing.
Awesome. Pilot is definitely the way to go. I feel like the engineer was, as Gunner feels, like I haven't done Gunner, but as Gunner feels disconnected, the engineer feels like we needed to add 2 more capacity to this. So yeah. But now that I know, like, okay, like you hit the buttons, the pilot is more in control of the damage of the ship. I can just focus. We can just watch what's happening instead of like, oh, I gotta hit the button now.
Yeah, I agree. That's what I felt.
I literally.
It's good to do both.
I just sat there like.
Yeah, nice.
Just why I just got happy. Like I didn't even
There's
care
so
if
much
it was
going on the
doing
screen.
anything.
Michael, what did you get to eat?
The ribs.
Okay, that's what I got too. What do you think?
It's really good.
Yeah. What did you get?
The chicken with fried Endorian tip yolk.
Did you try it yet?
Not yet.
All right. Ribs too. All right. I got the ribs as well. Let's see how they taste. Tell me, Dave, what do you think of the dessert?
Tasty and fruity.
And what is it?
An oi oi puff.
And what's in it?
Oi oi.
And some buff.
No, it's I believe it's raspberry and then a fruit custard.
It's good.
No, it's different.
Fruity. They're like we were. Chewie's leaving. Alright. A couple merchandise cards. The Rise of Resistance is over here. Opening date to be determined, right? All the 2 o'clock reservation people coming in.
Buy Nathan his helmet.
This is an interesting transition. We're going from the edge of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge to like the country, the critter country. We're coming around the side of the critter country. Yes, this is what it feels, very reminiscent. And then look, you come under the trestle of where the train is now. Yeah, there's no dead end here. Thank you. So the spire, something about the black spire.
Rising sun.
Al. Nope, it's alright. Kill the black spire. Kill the black spire. Becky Mencken! Becky Mencken! Pretend like this is the first time you're walking into the How are you?
Hold on.
Good to see you.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Is that better? Lovely. Well done. Very well done.